Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Saturday, Saturday, April the 9th 2022. Saturday, April the 9th 2022. We have only two regular puzzles, Sudoku Medium and a Quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. And there is no extra puzzles in the edition of today, Saturday. Let me show you. So what I will do is the yesterday's newspaper on Friday. I will continue with the yesterday's edition, the additional of yesterday. And tomorrow I will continue. I believe Thursday was also not. There was also no additional, so I've made the edition of Wednesday. I think I need to finish the Tuesday edition. Yeah, the Tuesday edition. So tomorrow the Tuesday edition, and today the Friday edition. But first, let me show you. Yeah, no extra puzzles. Weekend, yes. Where's the date? Yes, the date. Saturday the 9th and the April the 10th. All right, this one will be number, I believe, 4382. 4382. Oh, sorry, 4382. Made a mistake. Let me do this over again. 4382. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. How about 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 189. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and 9 should be in those two boxes. For the 8 and 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 here. So no 9 in this big square. So in this box. So the 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Okay. 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. All right. Then 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? Let me see. Yeah. 4. Yeah. Well, We have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the second column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah, in this column we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, cannot be here because we have a double 4 here. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. All right. Then 2 in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be here in this big square. Alright. Okay. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Some tea. Alright, we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are not used. We are missing 1 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Now I can count, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Okay, 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in the third row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the first column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. Whoa. Need to wait again. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1. We have a 3 and a 1 in the first column, so no 3 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Can I count? Yes. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing number. Oh, wait. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers are 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the last row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. In one of those 2 boxes in the last row. Well, we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see. Then. How about this box in the third row? This missing number is the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 6 and the 3. And there also 6 and the 3. Okay, 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6, And this box should be a 3. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Exactly 50 minutes. Alright. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 7 weeks. And I will stop end of the 10 10 weeks, after 10 weeks, yes. And I will share you the Excel data sheets, and maybe yeah, you can see a pattern. We have here 978, 978, 637, 637, 185, 185. Here we have the 7 as a pair and the 8 as a pair. 1, 3. Yeah, 2 pairs. All right. Thank you. And yeah, the daily Sudoku practice still continues. So I will see you later on in the evening with the additional of yesterday. I will finish the yesterday's additional then. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again very, very soon. Until then, bye-bye for now.